Venetian Bay is a gated guarded community conveniently located near theme parks, shopping and major roadways. Whether you need groceries or want to shop at the Loop or along the US 192 corridor, you are close by. The location of this condo in the community couldn't be better. With a view of both the pool and also conservation, this is your serving of tranquility in sunny Kissimmee. The community features 4 pools with the main pool heated and open until late in the evening daily. An exercise room and theater are located next to the clubhouse. Other features include beach volleyball court, basketball and tennis courts, car cleaning area and 3 additional pools, each with a play area, located throughout the community. This unit has a recently installed laminate floor and is partially furnished. Zoning permits short-term rental,